So hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today, for this video, dahil magfo-fall na / autumn dito sa London, kahit hindi pa talaga kasi it feels like a bit more summer. Medyo mainit pa pero dapat fall na. Marami na rin mga dahong nahulog-hulog sa sahig. So I will try to do a fall-inspired makeup tutorial. Pa-fall. Yan. So hindi man siya applicable sa Pilipinas, doon na lang sa mga pa-fall. Yan. So if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell para updated kayo sa mga pinaggagawa ko sa buhay ko. Okay guys, for the foundation, paulit-ulit lang naman yung ginagawa ko palagi. So, isa-skip na natin yung foundation. Okay guys, so I'm done with my foundation. Now we are going with our concealer. This time I'll use my Maybelline. Actually, lagi ko rin ginagamit to, but I'm using my anti-age eraser from Maybelline. The concealer is done. Yan. Now we will set it with our Makeup Revolution banana powder. Okay, we're done with our base. So maglalagay lang ako ng powder dito sa ilalim ng aking mata in case there are any fallouts for our eyeshadow later. Mas madali siyang matanggal. Okay, so now let's proceed to our eyeshadow. So, yung fall kasi, usually, ang mga color nila is ganito. Medyo dark, medyo brown, na parang pa-orange, na parang yellow, na parang red, na yun, halo-halo nun. So, ganun yung ilalagay natin sa mata natin for this autumn-inspired makeup tutorial. So, gagamitin natin yung aking super excited gamitin na palette, which is from Morphe. So, nagbukas na yung Morphe shop dito sa London and I'm so excited. Kaya talaga, naisipan kong gumawa ng fall-inspired makeup tutorial kasi most ng colors na nandito ay parang pa-fall. So, let me show you this palette. So, yung mga gustong itry, this is the Boss Mood palette. So, yan siya. This is the Boss Mood palette. So, ganito yung kanyang mga shades. Yan, di ba sobrang ganda guys? And then, nandito yung mga shade names. Tapos, ito yung mga colors. So, malamang-lamang for fall, ito yung mga gagamitin natin colors. Yan, yung mga yan. So, this was for £23. Kayo na lang ang mag-calculate kung magkano siya sa pesos. So, I'm gonna use an eye primer, which is from Revolution. This is the Focus and Fix Eye Primer. Set ko lang ng konti. Eye primer. Now, from the Morphe Boss Mood, so una muna natin gagawin for the transition color is ito. And on the shade name, ang pangalan niya ay Fired Up. So, like this. This is from Real Techniques. Char. Tingnan natin ang texture. So, ganyan yung kulay niya, guys. Stay lang tayo, guys, sa crease area. And then, extend it sa may eyelid ng konti. Ang ganda, guys. And then, using a cleaner brush, I'm gonna like this, blend it. Especially yung outside, para walang harsh lines, ika nga. Next is, ang gagamitin naman natin ay FOTD. So, ito siya guys. FOTD. So, para siyang burgundy. Dito lang tayo sa outer corner magpo-focus. And then, with a clean brush, blend lang natin sila together. Okay guys, so ganito yung itsura niya. Ang ganda! Anyway, so yeah, that's how it looks like. So I'll try to put the Bossy AF. So guys, so parang medyo shimmer siya, glitter na siya. So, let's watch it. Sobrang lambot niya guys, is-watch. Sobra. So ito siya, medyo glittery siya, kung nakikita niyo, pero super glittery siya. Ganyan. Diba? Gitna natin siya ilalagay guys. I'll just pack it at the middle of the eyelid. Yan. So, may konti na siyang shimmer. And then, gagamit tayo ng gold, which is the Pop Star. Ito naman siya for our inner corners. So, gamit lang tayo ng detail brush. And we'll just put it at the inner corners of our eyes. Hindi siya masyadong kita. Try ko nga kung daliri na lang. Gamitin ko. Baka masyadong weak yung aking detail brush. Ay, oh, yan. So, mas kita siya, guys. Okay. So, I will just pop in some lashes and then I will be back. Okay, guys. Tapos na tayo sa eyelashes. So, yan. Ganyan yung itsura niya. This is from Ardell Demi Wispies. So, yan, nakabit na natin yung eyelashes, guys. Now, tatapusin na natin yung eye look natin kasi maglalagay din tayo ng eyeshadow dito sa ating lower lash lines. Lalagay din natin kung ano yung nilagay natin sa taas. So, first is yung Fired Up. And then next is yung Boss AF. FOTD pala, sorry. False na po. So now we're just gonna proceed with the rest of our face. So, alam niyo yung ginagamit ko. It's from Mary Kay eyeshadow and it's in espresso. So, medyo kapalan natin ng konti. Char. May blush on na tayo. So, sa mga fall or autumn look, so medyo dark kasi, so dapat hindi tayo masyado ma-pink or ma-orange. So, ang gagamitin nating eyeshadow is itong medyo pale na to. Yan lang tayo, guys. So, hindi tayo masyadong pa-blush on today. So, tama lang. Kasi yung sa fall makeup, medyo dark yung kanilang lips. So, kailangan medyo i-balance natin dahil dark na yung eyes, dark pa yung lips. Ano to? Halloween. And then, our highlighter. So, syempre, kailangan highlight na highlight tayo kahit autumn look. Autumn look. Nakikita nyo to? Ganyan. Pak. for the lips. So, sa lips, medyo dark dapat, char. MAC. So, this is the Studded Kiss. And then, of course, our setting spray. And this is from Makeup Revolution Pro Fix. So, okay, guys, I think that's it for this look. I hope you liked it. Hindi ko alam kung saan nyo gagamitin to if you're from the Philippines kasi wala namang fall doon. Pero, syempre, pwede ito sa mga parties or night outs. I don't know. But, yeah, na-inspire lang akong gumawa ng autumn inspired makeup look or fall makeup look kasi nga magpo-fall na dito sa London. Plus nga, dahil dito sa aking Morphe palette. Yeah, I hope you liked it. And if you liked it, please subscribe to my channel and hit the thumbs up. Or comment anything down below. And that's it. See you in my next video. Bye!